Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust kerning and change letter spacing on Wix. This is a fantastic way to fine-tune your website's typography and create a more polished, professional look that truly matches your brand's identity. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site you want to work on. Now, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This is important because you want to make sure that this is indeed the website where you wish to adjust the kerning and spacing on letters. Double-checking at this stage saves you time and ensures you're working on the correct project. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually right beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the website editor where all the magic happens. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you have full control over your site's design elements. From here, locate a sample text block or the specific text block you wish to adjust. It could be a headline, a paragraph, or any text element on your page that needs spacing refinement. Once you've found your text block, highlight the text you want to modify. As soon as you highlight it, an Edit Text button will appear. Click on this button, and a text settings window will pop up on your screen. This window contains all the tools you need to customize your text's appearance. In the text settings window, look for the option labeled Character and Line Spacing, and click on it. This is where you can adjust the text character spacing across your entire text selection. You'll see a slider or input field that allows you to increase or decrease the space between all characters in the highlighted text. Play around with these settings until you achieve the spacing that looks best for your design. Now, if you wish to perform kerning, which is adjusting the space between individual letter pairs, simply highlight a single letter or the specific pair of letters you want to adjust. Once highlighted, use the same spacing controls to fine-tune the space between those particular characters. This level of detail can make a huge difference in how professional and intentional your typography appears. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted kerning and letter spacing on your Wix website, giving your text that custom, polished look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.